Dear students, so today we will start with the beginning of farming. So around 12,000 years ago there was a climate change. The climate became warmer and that led to grow the grasslands. The grasslands evolved farming, but the question was that first of all for farming they had to identify the edible plants. As they started identifying, then they had to observe how the seeds break. Plants grew from those seeds, and the most important, they had to settle near the water sources. After that, they had to observe that how those plants, how those seeds are ripening, because if they are over ripened, then also they will have problem, and if they are under ripened, they are not properly ripened, then also they will not be. This was the time when several grain bearing grasses, including barley, rice, and wheat, grew naturally in this subcontinent, and people started collecting those grains as food, and they learned also that how they can grow those grains, and they saw that when it is actually ripened, at what time, and for that observing the whole process they had to settle down for a time being in a particular place. So in this way they started, actually this was the beginning, that they started settling in one place to understand the process of growing crops or grain or anything whatever we say, for particularly understand the process of growing any kind of food products. And in this way people became farmer. Previously people were hunters, but now they only started taming animals. They attracted the animals, giving them foods, and they started taming animals for different use. They had several use, like they, for protecting their grassland, they need the animals. To fear away the insects also they started taming the animals. Later on they used different products like food products, if you say, like milk, meat, they used as a food products. So for all these purpose they started taming the animals. Now we will understand the term domestication. Actually domestication is the process in which people grow plants and look after the animals, and this was the process through which the plants, the domesticated plants and domesticated animals became different from the wild animals or the wild plants. How? That very often plants and animals that are tended by the people became different. How? That generally the animals, those were relatively gentle, they were selected for breeding. So in this way animals, those were gentle, they were domesticated, and other were the wild animals. In the same way they saw that plants and animals that are not prone to disease, they were selected for domestication. So in this way domesticated animals and plants became different from the wild animals and wild plants. Now we will see that domestication was a gradual process. Earliest domesticated animals were sheep and goat, and the earliest plants were wheat and barley. This was the time when life took a different way, and this was the new way of life. For instance, if you plant a seed, definitely it will take some time to grow, and it can take months, even years also. And for growing that plants, even to observe that, you will have to stay in a particular place for a long period of time, and definitely you will have to look after that plants also. You will have to water it, weed it, and you will have to protect that plant from animals and birds. Until that you will have to stay in a one place. So in this way they started settling in one place.